Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market right now. So actually the situation hasn't changed significantly since yesterday. Daily chart right now, actually the primary chart that shows our expectation. And here it has brightest moments that could clarify the further direction, at least as it right now looks on the picture. So here was, guys, reaction on 107 target. So this reaction actually is equal to this one. So very small pullback, minus reaction. So I would suggest that if market intends to reverse up from the 127 butterfly, the price behavior should be different. So that is too slow and too lazy reaction on the market. Also here we should deny the idea of the wash and rinse, because here we could suggest that it could be a wash and rinse for market. Spike down the previous lows, but take a look that return was not fast, and right now market tending back down to the lows. Actually, it stands below the lows. And this is not the moment, this is not the way how market usually reverse. It makes me think that the chances on the further drop right to the 1618 target of the butterfly around 29 even is more probable than upward reversal. Besides, take a look at this price action. So trend here holds bullish, but price action is not. Initially it was dropping. Right now it stands flat while trend holds bullish. Usually it indicates the bearish dynamic pressure, and I think that's also increased chance on downward action. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our picture stands the same. So although theoretically it is still possible appearing of the XOP godly pattern, but take a look at what the reaction was. Or actually it was really long-term downward action up from the OP. Ranges of these candles very small, so no new patterns have been formed here. So as you have taken the short position here, as I said recently, just keep the half of your position intact, move your stop to break even, and take the profit on the second half. So by this way you will prepare for a possible downward action. At the same time, you will not risk of the whole your profit if market somehow will turn up by some news maybe or something. On that hourly chart, guys, this actually is two patterns that we're watching for. First one is the same ABCD that we yesterday discussed for a possible long entry for those who would like to do this, although I have warned you that in the current circumstances it's very difficult to find a reason for taking the long position. The price action shows no signs of thrust. It's very heavy, shows very bad reaction on any bull pattern that have been formed. So it's a very tricky moment to take the long position with it. That's why one of the possible solutions of the situation could be taking the small position with a small risk at the event that has really low probability. So that's why yesterday we said that probably you could try to take the position as close to these lows as possible, because still theoretically we have bullish grabbers that's still valid, and taking the position as close to its lows as possible, that will be a relatively acceptable scenario where you will not risk too much, but if somehow by some reason rally will start, you will get the perfect position. But since risk of the collapse of the failure of this pattern is really strong, it's better to minimize your risk and trying to take positions close to the lows as possible. Speaking about the short entry, so yesterday we talked about this entry of the godless triple to sell. Right now, take a look what is going on. Market is dropping. Here is the trend line we have, and market could form minor godless triple to sell with the retesting of this trend line. So if you do not have the short position, that could be the chance for taking the short. Besides, your risk will be very small, since you could just probably trying to take the position with the stops against this top. So if this pattern will work, market should continue to move down. So as you can see, the patterns that we have are not really very accurate. They a bit choppy, so it's very difficult to work with them. And as I said, our major picture is still on the daily. So where we are watching for continuation with this butterfly right to this target. So let's see what we will get on the Bitcoin as well.